Hey guys, welcome back to another video. A lot of you have been asking me to make a video on how to create a PayPal account in Nigeria. Of course, you know that in Nigeria you're only allowed to transfer money via PayPal, but you cannot receive payment. And of course, on this channel we talk about how to make money, and a lot of you want to get online gigs, jobs, and a lot of things that you need to do online, which requires you to have a PayPal account. So before we start, I want you to note a few things. First of all, you need to get a pen and a paper because you need to jot down things, unless you're going to do this using your computer. But if you're going to do it over your phone, you need to have something to jot down things like your password and other things. Another thing also is that for you to do this thing, you must complete it from start to finish. You're not going to start and leave it halfway, because you wouldn't want PayPal noticing your location and thereby banning that account. So you need to start and complete it. If you know you're going to be busy, you're going to run out to run some businesses or do other things, even to go take a pee, no, you need to sit down and start it from beginning till the end. However, if you do start and end it halfway, you're gonna start afresh whenever you want to start. Okay, don't forget to also don't forget that you need to have a new Gmail account or Gmail address and a new phone number that has not been associated with PayPal in the past. So if you have gathered all these things and you're ready to start, then go ahead and start. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to use my phone for this demonstration today. I'm not going to do it on my computer. So I'm going to use my phone for this demonstration. So get your phone, get a pen and paper, and follow through as we do this. So first of all, you want to go to your settings and go to security and privacy. I don't know how it is on your phone, and make sure that your location is off before you start. So my location is off. Make sure yours is off. Okay, then after that, you need to go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Brave browser. So I already downloaded mine. I already installed mine. So install it. After the installation, you can then open it. So that is what we're going to use for this demonstration or this tutorial. So yeah, I was about to start before this video. So when you open it, then you then search for paypal.com/AR. So the reason why we're using this Argentina is because Argentina, a lot of people said that their Argentina PayPal is really good for them, people back in Nigeria. Okay, so that's why we're doing this with. You can use any other country. Probably you can try any other country. I don't know, maybe try Egypt or any other country. So it's going to bring you here, and when you're here, the next thing you want to do is to, I don't know how it's going to be on the phone, but on your computer. Oh yeah, so when you click on this icon, so when you come here, you're going to see shop online and send payment, or sell online and receive payment. So we're going to click on sell, which is the business account. The reason we are going for business account is because we want to use this account to sell, because obviously for you to request or for you to want to open a PayPal account, it means that you want to start selling stuff, digital products or whatever you want to sell online, and you want to also make money online, right? So yeah, you're gonna sign up for business account and not a personal account. So enter your name. So I'm going to enter a real name, somebody's real name for this. Enter your real name and then enter your email address. Don't forget, we talked about using a new Gmail address that has not been associated with any PayPal. So create your password. So make sure your password has between 8 to 20 characters. You will use upper and lower case letters and enter at least one number or one symbol. And then you agree on having read, you agree that you have read and agree to the user agreement, and then you click on create account. So it says that they've sent a confirmation email. So after signing up, they're going to send you a confirmation email. So mine just came in now, which is okay. I'm gonna copy and paste it there. So you need to do it quick because it will expire in 10 minutes. Submit, and you're all set. So now it's time to activate the account, and they're also going to guide you every step of the way. So you're now going to enter info for your business. So we're going to use this as an individual seller or sole proprietor, and not a business. You're not a registered business, but if you're a registered business, why not? You can go for that. So we are individual or sole proprietor, and click on let's go. So enter your date of birth. So what's your nationality? Enter your nationality, which is Nigeria, because you need to enter your nationality that is in your passport, right? So that in case if anything happens, you can be able to retrieve your recover your account by using your passport. Okay, so you need to enter exactly the name that is on your passport. Do not lie or put anything just there, because don't put anything that is not your name, because in the future you're also going to link your bank card and everything to this PayPal. So how is it going to match if you're not using the right details? So enter your country of origin. So for this phone number, you're going to go So we are using Argentina phone number here. So you're going to go to Google and search for phone number. Let's go there. So you're going to go to Google and search for Argentina phone number. That's Argentina random. Let's use that one. Random address generator. So this one, let's copy this phone number. Paste it here. So I'm gonna change the last 3 digits. It's 240. So I'm going to change it to 0420. 042. So address line 1. Go back there. So we are using Street San Isidro. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that well. So copy the street address. That will be for your address line 1. For the city, and province, let's check. Okay, let's use this one. Buenos Aires, that's the city. Let's use it. That's the capital. Yeah. So for the postcode, let's use this one. And let's see. So you're going to tell them more about your organization. So use your full legal name. The legal name that we used, they're gonna use it. So you don't need this registration number, but if you have, you can put that. So your primary currency is going to be US dollars. So what do you sell? So we're gonna choose what shall we choose? So you can choose anything related to what you're gonna be doing online. So I'm gonna just choose media, digital goods, media, books, movies, and so on. If you have a business website, you can add it. If you don't have, no problem. So you can, instead of trying to crack your brain and add and look for another address, just use your residential address as your, use the same here, so that you don't have to go through the stress of recreating. And then you click on let's go, and you're all set. You can now accept payments and move money. So let's go to PayPal and see. Voila, look, the account has been created, the profile verified, email confirmed. So guys, this is how to create a PayPal account from anywhere in the world. This works for Nigerians, Ghanaians, Cameroonians, because I know that most countries have been banned, or PayPal banned most countries, while some are restricted due to money laundering. For the case of Nigeria, Ghana, and Cameroon, I'm sure that their cases of that of money laundering. That is why services of PayPal has been restricted. You can only make transfers or make payments, but you cannot receive. But we all need PayPal account to receive our money, right? So that is it, guys. This is how to create a PayPal account from anywhere in the world. All right, just follow this process as I followed it here, and create yours. So in another video, we're going to be talking about how to link your PayPal, link a bank account to your PayPal account. So let me know if you follow this. Let me know if you do it and it works for you. Leave a comment in the comment section, guys. Leave a comment to encourage others that this actually works. Okay, follow this process that I have given you guys on this video and create yours. Okay, you can see the email. Congratulations. So that is it. As simple as that, guys. Don't forget to watch this video to the end so that you can gain all you need to create your own PayPal account. Okay, so guys, those of you that have been telling me make the video, I've made it, I've delivered. I hope you watch it. I hope you also like the video, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed. And I will see you guys in another video where we'll be talking about how to link a bank account or bank card to your PayPal account.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.